In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process of creating a product category. So if you are working on WooCommerce and you want to create a category for your product, so once you are logged in into the backend as your dashboard of your website, to come over to products, once you hover over it, you're going to see categories. So just go ahead and click on categories. All right. So for this website now, I already have some categories created. So let me walk you through that. So you can see there are other categories created right here, and these are the slots. Now, to show you the number of, this count simply means the number of products for each of those categories. Now for this particular category called men, we have 22 products under this category. For sweatshirt and hoodies, we have 12 products. So that's the meaning of all of these. And then you can rearrange your category. For example, you can see these three horizontal lines, so you can use it to rearrange your categories. So if you want to rearrange them, you can easily do that. Maybe you want this baby to come before it. All right, so you can easily do that. So that's it. Now if you want to now create your category, what you do is come over here. So this is where you're going to put the name of the category. So maybe I want to create a category and name it sneakers. All right, so now this is where you're going to put in a slug. All right, so the meaning of that slug is, if you look at, if I try to view this, it's a name that will appear after it. Now if you just look somewhere here, you're going to be seeing gbt.com/product-category/accessories. Now where we have that accessories is the slug. Okay, so what you can see it here, this is it here. All right, so if you leave it blank, it will just pick the name as the slug. If you want to have a special word for the slug, you can do that. All right, but it's advisable to just use the same name as your slug, or you can just leave it blank. It will automatically pick the name as your slug. All right, so if you want to pick a parent category, you can also do that. And if you don't want to, if you want it to be a main category, you can also leave it like this. All right, so this is where you select the type. We have the default product subcategory of both, so you can also leave it as default. Now this is where you put in your thumbnails. Your thumbnails are what will appear next to it. Okay, so I always prefer to put in a thumbnail so that once you are using it on your front page, maybe you have a section to showcase just category. If there's no image there, it won't look good. All right, so make sure you add your thumbnail. So once you click on upload image, you can pick from your media library or you can upload from your computer. It all depends on you. So let me put in this and I click on use image. All right, so you can see once that is done, go ahead and click on add category, add new category. All right, so let's go ahead and look for it. We named the sneakers. It should be at the top. All right, so you can see it here. This is the category. If you want to view it, so let me open this in a new tab. Right, so you're not going to find any products in it because we've not added any products. So you can see no products were found matching your selection. All right, but once you start creating your products, adding products to your site, and then you add products to it, then you'll be able to see the products under that category. So guys, that is it on how to create a category. I hope you find value in this. If you find value in it, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any question relating to e-commerce, do let me know in the comment section. You can also check our playlist on e-commerce for other helpful videos relating to e-commerce. So thank you very much, guys. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.